Hey, Sorors Hey, how are you all doing? Hope everyone had a happy Founders Day. Welcome back to all my joyfuls. I'm Joy, and this is my channel, Joyful and Triumphant. And I'm here in the new year with a review for the December 2023 Delta box, because we just got it this month. So, Sorors, if you want to hear what I got to say about this December Delta box and its contents, stay tuned and I'll see you in a few minutes. Bye. Ooh, and I'm out. Hey, Sorors. Hey, welcome back. Happy New Year, everybody. Hope everybody had a wonderful 111th Founder Day. For those that are new, my name is Joy. This is my channel, Joyful and Triumphant. And thanks for stopping by today to watch my review for the December 2023 Delta box, which we're just now getting in January. Dear Delta box, what is you doing? This, look, you got me tongue-tied. I can't even talk straight. Do better in 2024. This late delivery is unacceptable. And we haven't seen the January box either. Do better, dear Delta. That's all I'm saying. Do better. All right, Sorors, let's get into it. First, let me give my disclaimer. I am not a Delta Box ambassador. I am a member of Delta Sigma Theta Sorority Incorporated and a consumer of the Delta Box. Therefore, my reviews are raw, real, uncut, and truthful. I'm going to tell them the truth about this Delta Box, its products, its services, or lack thereof, whatever the case may be for the particular month. They need to hear the truth, and I'm here to give it. And I get a lot of suggestions from Sorors, from different platforms, from Facebook to TikTok, Instagram. They send me their questions, their comments, and I say what they want to say. All right, so let's get into it. This month's theme is not this month, excuse me, y'all. The December 2023 theme was standing on business. That's all I'm going to say. Y'all ain't standing on no business. We didn't get the box until January. That's not standing on business, Delta. Let's do better. All right, let's get into the contents of the box. We already know what's in the box. Let's just get into it. What's in the box? A 2024 Delta Sigma Theta Planner, a red and white Delta Shield knit blazer, Lead to Win, How to Be a Powerful, Impactful, and Influential Leader in Any Environment by Soror Carla A. Harris, which is the best thing in this box. And one more item, which is not really an item, so I don't even know how they can list it, but it's a live event with Soror Harris discussing her book. And I think that's going to be great. All right, so they went back to the red box. I'm glad. I mean, I know they did the brown one because they wanted to be eco-friendly and, recycle and protect the ozone layer and the ecosystem and all that. But I didn't like that box. I'm glad they're back to the red one because you can use it for so many different things. You can use it to store things. Like I have my corsages in some. I have like my pins in some, my patches, my croc gibbets and charms and all that kind of stuff. So I like the boxes. You can put gifts in there for new initiates and give it to them, and they just excited. So I'm glad they went back to the red box. So kudos to y'all for that. It was the little Christmas theme. They had the little deck the halls on the inside of the box and on the paper. That was cute. All right, let's talk about the planner. Here's the planner. It has the crest. It has the symbols in black. It's like a leather material. Now here is my only beef with this planner. Y'all see that? Look at that raggedy stitching right there. Who did quality control on this? Now I know y'all probably thinking, well, Soror Joy, you being petty, but I'm not being petty. Cause it's gonna start raveling and coming loose. And I'm gonna give it till May before my cover starts falling apart. But that is poor quality right there. They shouldn't even let that go through. The planner has different affirmations for the beginning of each month. So, like for March, which is International Women's Month, they have I am grateful for the opportunity to live my truth. So, I like that. And of course, it has the regular to do list in there. It has your monthly reflections for at the end of the month. It has a meal prep, your weekly planner to do things. It's a planner. Like, can we get a different type of planner? Can we get like for April? Dear Delta, come in, listen. So since April is Financial Literacy Month, financial fortitude, why not give us like a planner, like one of those 100 savings challenge planners, and make it Delta, where we can save money and have Delta on it, and it's just customized for Delta. Those are so popular right now. Just a thought. Just a thought. A different type of planner, a budgeting planner. That'll be nice for April. Yeah, give us one of those 100 savings, 100 envelope savings planners. That would be nice. And just customize it for Delta. Give it that Delta dazzling touch. Just a thought. All right. The next item out the box is this. This is a great read. Lead to Win by Soror Carla A. Harris. She's also the author of Expect to Win and Strategize to Win. Now we read Strategize to Win at my job. All the people who are supervisors, we had to read this book. And I think I'm gonna have my team read this one. It's an excellent read. She's an excellent speaker. The whole series is good. So if you want to get the other two books, I recommend that highly. This was a good investment, dear Delta. Now y'all did good with this book. And I can't wait for the live event. So yeah. This was good. Spot on. All right. Now let's talk about this last item in the box. While we appreciate it, because we've been wanting something that we can wear to chapter meetings. But as soon as I saw it, it was giving Captain Kangaroo vibes. Like, who was sitting in this meeting and said that this was okay? I know it wasn't no dear or no diva. Y'all must have had the collegiates in this meeting, because they don't know nothing about Captain Kangaroo. Because I know if one of the deers or the deltas was sitting there, divas or the deers was sitting there, they would have been like, this is nice, but let's switch the colors up, because the red on the white on the red looking like Captain Kangaroo. Why couldn't y'all make it white with red piping and the crest in red? That would have been chef's kiss, baby. Spot on. But come on. It's Captain Kangaroo all day. Come on, dear Delta. Yep. Put some thought into this stuff. Well, first of all, let me say this. I do like it. It fits well, it's warm. I'm glad it's not black and red. Thank God. But I don't know. If it was black with red piping, I don't know, that might have worked. I think the white with red would have really been nice. That would have really been nice because y'all don't give us too many white things. So yeah, this is it, y'all. The crest is in red and white. It has 2 pockets on each side. And like I said, it fits very, very well. Here's my photo. I look good. I look fly. I look good. And then how the song go? I look good in it now. Don't get me wrong. I just think we should have rethought the color scheme. White with red piping would have been much better. Because this red with the white is giving Captain Kangaroo. And then the late delivery. January. And some people still don't have the box. And January is almost over. Dear Delta, y'all got to do better in 2024. We still haven't got a notice about the January box. And it better be something good. I'm just saying. All right, Sorors. Those are my thoughts and opinions on this here Delta box for December of 2023. What are your thoughts? Leave me a comment below. Like, comment, share, subscribe if you're not already following me here on YouTube. I have a wide variety of content on my channel besides the Delta Box reviews. I also do makeup reviews for all us ladies with mature skin. Check out my glam bag reviews from Ipsy and my BoxyCharm reviews and also my Icon box reviews for those beauty subscription boxes. And if you're interested in getting those subscriptions, just watch one of the videos and use my referral link. Also, if you're looking for some inspirational content, check out my playlist, Joyful Jubilations. I am a licensed evangelist, and I offer inspirational words of encouragement to help you in your walk with Christ, because that is most important. You got to keep God first in everything you do, and everything else will fall into place. Just put your trust and hope in the Lord. And you can also get some inspirational contents in my shorts, so you can check those out too. Again, I just want to thank everybody for watching. All my joyfuls, welcome back. Hope y'all had happy holidays. If you're new to my channel, please follow, like, subscribe. I will follow you back. You can find me on social media. You can find me on Facebook under my name, Sharon Joy Jacobs. You can find me on Instagram at Joy to the World. You can find me on TikTok at Triumphant DST10. You can find me on Snapchat as Sharon Joy Jacobs. And you can find me, where else? You're on YouTube. Well, you're already here on YouTube, but yeah, give me a follow, like, comment, subscribe. I'm welcome to all your comments. I want to welcome you to my channel. It's New Year, Sorors. Let's get busy. Let's get to work. And yeah, I guess I'll see you in February for a review of the January box. All right, y'all. Talk to y'all later, Sorors. Ooh. And I'm out.